Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers.
Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to Amavenza to TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Sikukune 1. I'm joined by Sweli Abdul.
Brother, stop screaming, brother. You're making noise. I tried closing my ears this side, brother. You're making noise too much, man.
My apologies.
Yeah, thank you. Welcome back. I said it to the boys that they are still traumatized. Anything that starts with M is trauma.
Wow.
Because Mayela.
Yes. Fist in Mayela.
Tambo.
Hey.
Mahaula.
Hey.
They saw trouble.
Trauma.
Hey, brother, we are still traumatized.
Yes.
But Orlando Pirates tried.
They did.
We are no longer ahead. By those howlers, the yellow t-shirts, we are no longer ahead. We know they speak too much. They will say whatever they want to say. They've got 2 games.
Yes.
They must start training. Very soon they'll be playing some playoffs.
Continue dreaming. And the teams in the playoffs. He's dreaming. It's like Uchel with Pirates so we need carefing egg. Uchel with Pirates so we need king egg. Continue dreaming.
They are very good with that. Kaizer Chiefs fans, they are very good with motivation. They will motivate you even when you are dead. They will resurrect you. They want Lazarus, these ones. They can resurrect anything. But it still failed.
Yes.
We know that. They must prepare. They must start training.
Saturday.
They know.
Hey.
So, how many days left? Let's count. Thursday,
Friday, Saturday.
Yes, exactly. 2 days left. They are in trouble.
They're in trouble.
Serious trouble.
Serious.
We beat them.
Yes.
SuperSport wins that side.
Yeah.
Number 14.
Playoffs.
Brother, they are waiting.
You beat them Saturday.
Yes.
SuperSport beats them.
Yes, brother.
Playoffs for Chiefs.
We take our game chairs, brothers. We sit nicely. Don't worry. Relax.
Awukwazi compare Kaizer Chiefs nelokhunja nePirates. Awukwazi. iKaizer Chiefs simbuka la bengilapha ngibuka emva kwegoalkeeper. Buka le sign le.
The best team. Buka le sign ya goalkeeper. Wesekukune goalkeeper.
Free marketing is option.
Marketing him because he knows that Chiefs doesn't have a goalkeeper most. How not do so man? Once he
Relax. He wants a job that side. He's marketing himself. Relax, brother. Don't worry. We don't need to explain ourselves to those ones. No, he's marketing himself already. He's on the line. Obviously, when someone is failing, and you think you are capable of doing the job, you do what? You avail yourself that I can try at least.
Too many CV.
Yes, you're sending a CV. Already you'll find that sometime you'll be a free agent. Chiefs don't like buying, they like taking. Free things. Free agents, they don't no market for him. He's selling himself already. He's telling them that come and take me. Yes, they don't want to buy, and they're comparing themselves with us. Tina, we went to the CAF semi-final. We came with 24 million.
Yes.
24 million is in the bag.
Yes, the Pirates.
Yeah, and you can't compare that. We are not playing a cup, a swag. Young Chol. Kufa Cup, Woodwork,
Legends Cup.
they will say Symmetry Cup or whatever cup. We're not playing those nonsense cup.
Definitely.
We're playing a serious tournament. Young Chol. They can laugh and say whatever, but Pirates is in the status. When we come back here, it's a lose, a lose that does not trouble us.
That's true.
Yeah, it does not trouble us. Right? We know very well. No, they can say whatever they want to say. We're still going to play CAF next season. It doesn't trouble us.
Yes.
It might say, we might say the league is gone, everything is gone.
Is it gone?
We don't know. We are not sure. There's no card of honor yet. It has not been closed. I don't know if who has the league. Who has been given the league?
But it's
Baba Nigile now. So why do they say the league is gone? Exactly. I gotta pay.
It's not official.
Until it's official.
Yes.
Yeah, fun now. We want time, man. Relax, chief. Relax. It's not over. You see these howlers? They will always howl at my back. I'm a chihuahua. Yeah, I'm a braki. Azolandela.
But sometimes I got chodi.
Yes. We know and understand Uguti we lost.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. So we don't accept Uguti abantu bati isa iligi hambi. Young Chol. Iligi happy. Pisaseko.
Yeah.
Nepetwe yazi ukuthi iligi hambi. Ngaba bayinike bani?
Andota.
Young Chol. Yeah, exactly.
Skala sonke mfuthu.
Relax. Askali thina.
Sazi sovuka ngaba ngisho.
Yeah, man.
Angithi ngicela ngabo igame yethu.
Saturday.
Sipine sithi ngayi-10. Yes, vuka ngabo.
Yeah, I know. Mara, today what I liked, to be honest, real character was tested amongst the fans. Young John, Uguti, win or lose. When we win, siyavela futhi yabona noma kuluzwa bathi thina siveli, we are here, brother is here, right? Win or lose, draw, it's a game of football. Young John, we accept it's a game of character. We have been tested.
Family o funeral funeral asna robulele senior family ska bolele ile fasa igete ubulele ba lo rob ge batho ba ba close abona
Basabuwa ma Pirates.
mo family ayibulele ba di pay ni batho ba le pay wala energy ya bana bulele energy grega energy ya bulele grega
Angithi basanokuthumela umalume azobonga. Basanokuthumela umalume azobonga. Angithi that's when the time when the family speaks. So umalume uzobonga.
Okay.
So you must yeah into engayisho ukuthi we were tested. Yabona
The
real Pirates fans were tested ukuthi are we going to stand the test of time. Yayibona le nto le. So ikhosi alingakhulumi. Ikhosi bangasitshela ngokuthi ilende safe. Beka they must relax those ones.
The pain.
Yeah, about relax. Tina, now we understand how to be nabified.
You understand to be nabified?
Yeah, nabified.
What does that mean?
It means to be beaten. Yes. We understand how yes, that pain. So it's no longer easy, you know. We understand, brother Nabir. I understand how to be nabified. Yeah. This day, back to back, we understand it. My brother, he just left. He disappeared. He disappeared. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Man of the match. Thank you to the fans that remained and supported our players.
We're waiting for Kaizer Chiefs.
I disappeared.
Yeah, we're waiting.
Behind the